Thank you. Thank you. Yep, thank you for the garbage. No, no, what are you doing? You want to sit in that chair and open presents? Oh, so you can see the camera? Okay, where are you? Thank you. Mama's just ready for the garbage. Can you get it? Thank you. You're so good. Got a big piece. Thank you. Oh, kaboom. Thank you. Thank you. Do you want to open this one? Kaboom. Let's just see what's in there. Oh, thank you. You hand Mom the paper so nicely and then I drop it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have that piece? Oh, kaboom. Thank you. Here. It's the other end that you started opening, baby. There you go. Oh, you're not going to hand Mom the paper no more? Thank you. Thank you. Ooh. You know what that is? Yeah, that's for Mommy. That's coffee. Say thank you. No, that's garbage. It's the garbage you handed to Mommy. Yep. Oh, you're going to wrap it back up? Oh, you're going to stay in Mom's lap. What are you doing? Oh, see, there's the baby. Say hi. Yeah. So get your hand saying hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty baby. That's Clarissa. And give Clarissa. Oh, bonk. I'm sorry. Yep.
Okay.
No, no, no. The camera don't bend that way. The camera don't bend that way. Sweetheart, sweetheart, sweetheart. It's alright. Yes. Get in your belly. Oh, you want to sit on your couch now. Quick burp. Where'd the garbage go? There it is. Don't, Clarissa, Renee, the garbage does not go in your toy box. Is that chicken? Oh. How about you leave the garbage alone, please? Yes, I'll thank you. Yum. So you love your chairs, huh? It's always bouncing between them all. You got a pan there? Where is that? Oh, is that good? Oh, so yummy. Is it a hat now? Oh, where'd she go? Where'd Rissa go? Where's Clarissa Renee? There she is. Oh, where'd she go? Where'd she go? I lost my baby. Oh no. There she is. Kaboom. Hey, baby. Where's Renee? Hey. Clarissa. Okay, blow kisses. Blow kisses. No. That's the way. Bye-bye. We got blow kisses. No. Ah! Yeah, that's the cord for the camera. Is it in your way of getting on your quad? Here.